Well, hello guys. I'm going to show you something that's pretty amazing. I'm at the house I'm building here in Perkins, Oklahoma. We're almost ready for trim. We finally got our doors delivered. But check out this garage door. This is definitely going to be the money shot of this building. So when you walk in, you're going to see this big, gorgeous kitchen, this giant island right in front of that door. And just imagine yourself rolling that door up on a beautiful fall day or spring day and spilling outdoors back on the back porch. It's going to be really amazing. Anyway, just want to give you a quick update on our build. This is a wood post frame building. FYI, we sell these in Texas and Oklahoma, and we design barn dominiums. That's what we do all day, every day. So anyway, this is just a little, I'll give you a show you upstairs here. The client that owns this house is from Phoenix, and we're going to brick this fireplace. We're going to use a thin brick and just take it all the way to the ceiling. So this house was designed not by myself, but by Stacy Lynn. She's a fabulous designer in Houston, Texas. And I got to meet Stacy at the build show in Dallas, and she was a wonderful, wonderful lady, very talented, has a great team. We made some minor changes to this floor plan, but for the most part, this is her design. And we took the bedroom out over here. Sorry, I'm shaking.